Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make great Instagram Reels with Canva by using high-quality templates and seamless transitions to give your content a professional edge. Let's get into it. First, find the perfect template. The fastest way to get a viral look is to start with a layout designed for social media. From the Canva home screen, click into the central search bar and type Instagram Reels. Browse the results and pick a template that fits your vibe. Once you click one, it opens the video editor with the correct vertical dimensions, 1080 by 1920 pixels, already set. Next, swap and insert your clips. Now you'll replace the placeholder content with your own footage using the sidebar tools. Look at the Design tab on the left sidebar. This is where the templates live. To add your own footage, go to the Uploads tab, or if you want to use stock video, click the Elements tab and search for video clips. Simply drag and drop your clip directly over a video placeholder in the template. Canva will automatically snap your video into the frame, maintaining the template's original styling and filters. Lastly, add smooth transitions. Transitions are the secret to keeping viewers engaged, and in 2026, adding them is easier than ever. Look at your video timeline at the bottom of the screen. Hover your mouse in the small space between two clips. Click the Add Transition icon. It looks like a small triangle or a plus sign between pages. A menu will open on the left showing options like Dissolve, Slide, or the AI-powered Match and Move. Match and Move is perfect for 2026 creators. It identifies similar objects in both clips and magically slides them into place for a teleportation effect. Adjust the duration slider to make the transition faster or slower, then click Apply Between All Pages if you want a consistent look throughout the reel. And that's pretty much it. To create a stunning reel in 2026, search for Instagram Reels on the home screen to grab a template, drag and drop your clips from the sidebar, and use the transition icon between clips to keep the flow smooth. It's the easiest way to get a high-end edit without needing complex software. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.